Yeah. Go.
Hustle, hustle.
Woo! Come on, go. Hustle. There you go. Go.
That was it.
Reach it down and get that nose deep. Get on the end of it. Get it deep in your elbow. You got in your hand.
Over your left shoulder.
There you go. Come on, go.
Hustle.
Elbow out. Wait a minute. Now stand up and get it right. Hey, slow down.
Hustle. Throw your feet.
All right, hang on. Get back to your feet. Hang on. Get back to your feet. Go. Get it deep. Pull it over your left shoulder.
That's all.
Pull it over your left shoulder.
You gonna run again or not?
Look, come here.
Go to me.
Y'all see how I got him right here?
Yeah.
All I gotta do is just bend over, get that nose.
Yeah.
I got his nose right here. You see
Okay.
how his body's still this way? I don't turn to him. I'm just this
Keep
way.
that line. See, keep that spine.
You see how
what
the
I'm
spine's
telling you
real
about lining
straight?
that spine up.
Now whenever I twist it, it's gonna twist the spine.
It's gonna turn his
Instead of just
head
bending
over and his
neck.
whole
If you
spine.
go over your
comes
right,
up.
you see it bends his neck, twists his neck.
Yeah.
If you go over your left, he's got to take it. It's twisting the spine.
Keep
You
him
see,
lined
I'm
up.
right here. He comes around, you just boom, right there. You pull to
And
you.
he don't want to give you your nose, so you gotta really.
Can't make it.
I like to take my fist and dig down in there and turn my thumb up and roll him up
Right
your
there,
arm.
he can't get away from you. He's captured. You just lay on your left shoulder right there, he's got to take it.
Here, show how to roll it real quick.
Go on, lay him down.
You just take it.
See how his body
You see
went
how he fell flat?
fell flat? All right. See a while ago, you kind of turned, and his ass was still up, and his shoulder was down. So you know what I mean?
So really get in there and just kind of lean
And that's
back
the
with
deal,
him.
A lot of people want to squat too much.
You want to like bend over like a
Stand
puppy?
up.
Try to just swipe that nose. Right.
Will you touch the ground? I used to touch the ground after wash.
That's a wash.
But bend over, hook that nose, and do your body just like that. All right, well. Elbow out.
Hustle.
Yeah.
Throw your feet.
Hang on. Just hang on.
Hustle. Yeah.
Wait a minute. Pull him around. Go. Woo! Yes, sir.
You see how he tried to throw his feet right there and they were out?
Elbow out, Brody. Elbow out. Big pull. Elbow out. Keep it locked. You got it. Bring your life up, fellow. One. All right. Coming. That gate bang. Go. Woo! Yeah, Brody. Oh, he's fast out there. Elbow out. Stay there. Yeah, Brody.
Hustle. Throw your feet. Yeah.
Hang on. Ah. Oh.
Hustle.
Get up there. Pull him around. Get your nose out. Really pull it out. It's gonna fall wrong if you don't. Really pull it out. Pull it up over your shoulder. Get it all. All right.
There you go.
Pretty good. Here you come. Tight. Yeah, Brody. Get that.
Hustle. Throw your feet.
Pull, elbow out. Pull. Hang on. Tight and right. Elbow out. Lock it out. Bro, you up pissed? That's something, John.
Hustle. Throw your feet.
Kick.
Stay there. Right there.